Are you looking for natural ways to strengthen your immune system? Herbs have been used for centuries to fight off illness, boost energy, and keep the body strong. And the best part? You can easily grow many of these powerful herbs right at home with the Medicinal Garden Kit. I'll tell you more about that in just a moment. One of the best herbs for boosting immunity is echinacea. It's known as one of the strongest immune boosters because it helps your body fight off colds, flu, and infections by increasing white blood cell activity. Another powerful one is turmeric. This golden spice contains curcumin, a natural anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compound that strengthens your immune response. Ginger is another must-have. Not only does it soothe digestion, but it also has antiviral and antibacterial properties that protect your body from common illnesses. Then there's holy basil, also called tulsi. It's an adaptogenic herb that helps your body handle stress while boosting your natural defenses against infections. And let's not forget garlic. Packed with sulfur compounds, garlic is nature's antibiotic, fighting bacteria and viruses while keeping your immune system strong. The great thing is, you don't need to run to the store every time you want these herbs. With the Medicinal Garden Kit, you can grow them all right in your backyard or even in pots on your balcony. It's beginner-friendly and comes with seeds from multiple medicinal herbs that can help you and your family stay healthy, naturally. So, if you're ready to take charge of your health, try adding these herbs to your daily routine. And don't forget you can get your own Medicinal Garden Kit today using the link in the description below. Start growing your own natural medicine right at home. Stay healthy, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video.